Hello and welcome. In this video we feature a shipping container tiny home Airbnb built using a single 20-foot shipping container in Waco, Texas. Stay tuned to find out more. Good, welcome back. This tiny container home used as an Airbnb rental is built out of a 20-foot repurposed shipping container built by Cargohome, a shipping container home company based in Waco, Texas. This 165 square feet home has an amazing setup with a gorgeous 165 square foot rooftop deck to enjoy beautiful sunsets every single night. The container home features a huge double glass door which acts as the main and only entrance to the home. The full glass front doors, made out of the original container doors, swing 270 degrees to allow a seamless connection between the outdoors and the indoors. Inside the cabin features one large open living space. The main entrance door opens up to the living area, which includes a Murphy bed that folds up and turns into a couch when not in use. The Murphy bed is a fantastic piece of transformative furniture in the cabin that makes this cabin an epitome of versatility. The custom Murphy bed turns into a sofa in the day and a super comfy queen bed at night. It can be set up and taken down in less than a minute, literally, with very little effort. Past the living cum sleeping area is the kitchen, which features a linear setup with a refrigerator, small appliances, and more than enough granite or quartz countertop. Adequate cabinet space and overhead custom-made storage shelves are provided. Behind the kitchen is a bar with dining space for two and can also double up as a workspace or a reading table. The bathroom is at the end of the container and features a toilet and a custom tiled walk-in shower. The rooftop deck offers a great place to relax, fire up a grill, or stargaze at night. The clean, sleek cable railing makes the deck a safe place while still offering unrestricted views of the surroundings. Optional LED rail-mounted lights give a soft glow to the deck and trim the house beautifully at night. The interior is lined with pine shiplap throughout and custom-built wood casement windows, completing the interior of this exquisite, cute cargo home. The interior is painted white to make the space appear bigger and brighter, eliminating that claustrophobic feel of living in a container box. The house has sufficient good-sized windows on both sides of the container, finished with custom-made wood casements, which provides adequate daylighting and ventilation. Carefully spaced cedar siding clads the exterior of the container, shading it from direct solar radiation while still allowing glimpses of the original corrugated container walls beneath. Planned living space in the 20-foot container is our favorite organizational space in this anchor Airbnb. Which part of this tiny house appeals to you the most? Give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe. See you in the next video. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, our YouTube channel is a one-stop shop for a complete guide on how to design, how to build, how to insulate, and a collection of hundreds of blueprints for container homes designs. In addition, we also cover case studies of the best homes made from shipping containers from around the world. For this and more, feel free to subscribe and remember to click on the bell so that you don't miss out on any of our amazing weekly videos. You can also contact us on our website sheltermode.com or follow us on social media platforms through the links in the description below.